Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here with another makeup tutorial. This time I've collaborated with Nykaa to celebrate Katrina's birthday, and I have created a beautiful hot red smoky eye look on Nykaa's channel, so don't forget to check that out. And for my channel, I created this smoky eye look. It easily amps up your look, and this will be perfect if you're wearing a mask and going out. This one you can easily do in hardly 10 minutes. Don't forget to check out my other video on Nykaa TV, and now let's get started. So I'm already done with my base. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. This is in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes just to set the concealer. And it instantly brightens my under eye area and also gives it an airbrush finish. For my crease area, I'm going to take this K-Beauty contour stick. This is in the shade Caramel Focus, and I'm going to apply it right in the crease area. And this one is a very smooth stick, and now I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. This one blends super easily. And now taking this K-Beauty metal eyeshadow stick, this is in the shade Blushed Moonlight. Now I'm going to apply this on my eyelids. And just blend it with my fingers. Now, taking the K-Beauty Cold Star Kajal in the shade Spade, I'm going to apply this on my upper lash line. Now going back with the contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And it's just a swipe and it blends. Going back with the Kajal. Now taking this K-Beauty matte eyeshadow stick in the shade Desire, I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line, and I'm leaving the inner corners and applying it to the rest of the lower lash line. And I'm going to take a smudge brush and I'm going to smudge it. And I always like a little smudged kajal, just to fade away the harsh line. I mean, not smudging too much, but just a little. Now I'm going to go back with the kajal, and I'm going to apply a very thin line just on the lash line. Now I want to smoke it out a little bit on the outer corners, so I'm going to go back with the K-Beauty matte eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Desire, and I'm just going to apply it in the outer corners, just in the shape of a C. And then I'm going to smudge it a little bit and do the same to the other eye. Now I'm going to take a smudge brush and try and drag it outwards with a very light hand. I'm going to apply a little bit of Caramel Focus again on the crease of my eyes. And then blend it again. You can use your fingers as well. These eyeshadow sticks and the contour sticks, they're really pigmented and they blend really easily. Just make sure that you don't have any harsh lines in the edges. Now I'm going to contour my face with a contour stick, just below the cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead and my jawline. If you want, you can blend it with your fingers as well, but I'm using a sponge. Now for the blush, I'm going to use this K-Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Wee Hours. And I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. And then blend it with my fingers. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to take this K-Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade Walnut. And I'm going to fill in my brows. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the K-Beauty Metal Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Golden Hour. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm going to blend it with my sponge. Now I'm going to take this K-Beauty lip liner. This is in the shade Hype. Now I'm going to take this K-Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Rom-Com. And I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Now I'm going to take the K-Beauty Mascara. This is in the shade Midnight. And I'm going to scrape off all the excess. This one is a volume and lengthening mascara. I'm taking the same eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Golden Hour. I forgot to highlight my brow bone area, so I'm doing it now. And also the inner corners of the eyes. I'm just going to change the lip shade to Wee Hours. I'm just going to apply Wee Hours and nothing else. This one seems to be much closer to what she has. She has a little bit of gloss going on her lips. So I'm going to take this K-Beauty May Strobe Lip Topper. This is in the shade Cover Girl. Just for a little bit of shine. So guys, this is it. I hope you liked it. It's a very, very easy makeup look and it's super easy to recreate. You only need a handful of products and I think this is one of the easiest looks that I have ever done. Don't forget to check out my other video on Nykaa TV. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Comment on below how you liked it and what other looks you would want me to recreate. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.